So Paul, disappointing result, 5-2 this afternoon.
Yeah.
What do you put it down to, I suppose, first and foremost?
3 errors. 3
Really?
silly basic errors. You know, the first goal, TK should have picked up. He's already put his hand up. You know, he said he's sorry about that. Second goal's come from a corner, our corner. We've had 3 lads there that could deal with it, didn't. He puts it in the bottom corner. Third, we get ourselves back in with the changes that we made. We went to 3 at the back.
Yeah.
Thought we'd try and, you know, do something with 2 up top, and which it did.
I suppose 2-0 at half time. You've got to try.
Yeah, we went for it. There's no point in, you know, no point in sitting back and going, oh, let's try and hope we get a goal back. We wanted to get the goal back, and then we can regroup. We got the goal back, and then we go and make another sloppy error. That gets the 3rd one in. The 4th one, we should have cleared our lines, get in, score. 5th one, I don't even know what's gone on there, but
oh yeah, slightly deflected one.
Deflected goal.
Alex, yeah.
And we scored, you know, a good goal, well taken goal by Ben. Look, I'm not going to go through all the goals in isolated, you know, individual errors, but the fact is if you make errors at this level, you're going to get punished.
Team, yeah.
And today, it wasn't so much the errors. I didn't feel that from 1 to 11 to the 4 changes I made, 5 changes I made, were at the races. None of them. Yeah. And I've told them that. And if you've got players that aren't going to put a shift in and do the basics right at this level, we're going to get turned over by 5 and 6 goals. So today we've had a bad day at the office and they've turned us over. I don't know the reason for it. I have no idea why lads have not put the shift in that they would normally do. It's a bad day.
I suppose get to try and put it right next week. We're pathetic away in the Welsh Cup.
The only thing I can say is that there's not too many of them. We've not had too many of those days. I think the last time we had one of them was when we played Triada Bay, and we got turned over. So if that's the one that we're going to throw in, fair enough. Let's knuckle down. You treat it
as a learning curve, don't you, as well?
Yeah, let's knuckle down. It bloody hurts. I hate losing at the best of times, but to get beat 5-2 is not nice. But we'll learn from it and we'll address it midweek. We'll do our training and we'll get ready for the cup game on Saturday. And you know, as Ronnie's just said in there, if lads are left out, the conversations this week are going to be easy, aren't they? There's no reason why it shouldn't be. But I'm just frustrated with that because we are better than that. And I think if we'd have put on a better performance, we might have found ourselves in a much better game, a better situation in the game. Getting the goal back at 2-1 was a great opportunity for us, and we didn't take it. We made stupid errors after that, and it's cost us the game, unfortunately. But you know, fair play to them. They've come here, they've done a job, they've taken the chances, they've beat us 5-2, and you know, they're a decent side. So you can't allow teams like that to do it. So we've got to dust ourselves down and get prepared for the cup game on Saturday.